Today my company introduced to you a dome heat shrinkable fiber optical splice closure. The standard configuration of the fiber optic cable connector box is 4 fiber optic cable inlet and outlet tubes. 3 of the small tubes can enter and exit a maximum diameter of 12 mm fiber optic cable. 1 large oval tube can simultaneously enter and exit the maximum diameter of 13 mm fiber optic cable. 1 or 2 cables with a maximum diameter of D8.5 mm at the same time can also simultaneously access multiple small diameter fiber optic cable. The number of hedge shrinkable fixed sleeves for fiber optic cable can be provided separately according to customers' needs. I opened it for everyone to see. Features: advanced internal structure design. Easy to re-enter, it never requires re-entry tool. The closure is spacious enough for winding and storing fibers. What other products do you need me to introduce? Can always add my WhatsApp.